Welcome to Unit 2, 419, Waterfall Gully Road in Rosebud. This is an immaculate little unit in a really desirable gated community for over 55s. Come with me while I take you on a quick tour inside. Entry leads straight into the dining area or lounge room, depending on how you want to use it. Tiled throughout the living zones. The second bedroom is at the front. Built-in robes, nicely carpeted, an overhead fan. The laundry is quite compact and leads through to quite a spacious single garage with access to the backyard. Separate powder room for guests. Back into the kitchen. Really lovely presentation. Modern appliances, stone bench tops. Into the lounge room, dining room. Really pretty little alfresco area. Low maintenance with mod grass. Easy care plantings. Beautiful little decked area. Back inside. Master bedroom is at the back with the outlook onto the backyard. Overhead fan again. Nice little walk-through wardrobe and into the main bathroom semi-ensuite. Large shower and loo and storage area. Thanks for taking the time to view the property here at Unit 2419 Waterfall Gully Road. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call at the office on 5986 3000.